नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। आई एम डॉक्टर JVN उपेश M लिखार, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ क्रिया शारीर, फैकल्टी ऑफ आयुर्वेदिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी. Today we will discuss about topic heart sounds. Let's start with definition. Heart sounds are the sounds produced by mechanical activities of heart during each cardiac cycle. Heart sounds are produced by first, flow of blood through cardiac chamber. Second, contraction of cardiac muscle. Third, closure of walls of the heart. Heart sounds are heard by placing the ear over the chest or by using a stethoscope or microphone. Four heart sounds are produced during each cardiac cycle. First and second heart sounds are called classical heart sounds and are heard by using the stethoscope. Third heart sound is a mild sound and it is not heard by using stethoscope in normal condition, but it can be heard by using a microphone. Fourth heart sound is an inaudible sound. It becomes audible in pathological condition only. This sound is studied only by graphical registration. Let's start first heart sound. First heart sound occurs at the beginning of isometric contraction period of ventricular systole. It is caused by sudden and synchronous closure of atrioventricular valves, closure of bicuspid valve and closure of tricuspid valve. It is long, soft and low-pitched sound. It resembles the word love. Duration of first heart sound is 0.10 to 0.17 seconds. It coincides with peak of R wave in ECG. It coincides with peak of R wave. Second heart sound. Second heart sound occurs at the end of protodiastolic period. It is caused by sudden and synchronous closure of semilunar valve. Semilunar valve, aortic semilunar valve and pulmonary semilunar valve. It is short, sharp and high-pitched sound and it resembles the word dub. Duration of second heart sound is 0.10 to 0.14 seconds. In ECG, it coincides with the T wave. It coincides with the T wave. Third heart sound. It is also called ventricular gallop or protodiastolic gallop. It occurs during rapid filling phase. It is caused by rushing of blood into ventricle. It is short and low pitch sound. The duration of third heart sound is 0.07 to 0.10 seconds. And in ECG, it coincides the area between T wave and P wave. Fourth heart sound. It is also called atrial gallop or presystolic gallop. It occurs during rapid filling period. It is caused by contraction of atrial musculature. It is inaudible sound. Duration of fourth heart sound is 0.02 to 0.04 seconds. In ECG, it coincides with interval between the end of P wave and the onset of Q wave. It is caused by contraction of atrial musculature and it coincides with interval between the end of P wave and the onset of Q wave. Okay. Next, we will study auscultation area. Auscultation means listening of internal listening of sound of internal body by stethoscope. Listening of sound of internal body with the help of stethoscope is auscultation. Auscultation areas is first is mitral area, also known as bicuspid area. Mitral area is in the left fifth intercostal space about 10 centimeter away from the midline or mid-clavicular line. Sound produced by the closure of mitral valve means first heart sound is transmitted well into this area. It is also called apex beat area because apex beat is felt in this area. Second area is tricuspid area. Tricuspid area is on the zygoid process. Sound produced by the closure of tricuspid valve, that is first heart sound, is well heard into this area. Pulmonary area. First area is mitral area. Second area is tricuspid area. Third area is pulmonary area. Pulmonary area is on the left second intercostal space close to the sternum. Sound produced by the closure of pulmonary area, pulmonary valve, that is second heart sound, is well heard on this area. Fourth area is aortic area. Aortic area is over the right second intercostal space close to the sternum. On this area, the sound produced by the closure of aortic wall, that is second heart sound, is heard well. So here we end the topic heart sound, in which we studied occurrence, cause, duration, characteristics, and relation with ECG of first, second, third, and fourth heart sound. Also, we learn about auscultation area. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 JVWU, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.